'cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give.
Alright class, so today I wanted to show you the difference between image size and canvas size. And I have an image over here that's loaded that I have already done the adjustments to, but I'll show you how to do the adjustments yourselves. So you're going to come up here to image, and you'll see that image size and canvas size should be fairly close together. But to adjust the image size, I'm going to come over here to image size, and then I'm going to go up with this number. If I want to go up significantly enough to see the adjustment, I'm going to multiply this times 4. So 1,500 times 4, put it in your calculators, it's 6,000. All right? You can already tell from the preview here that the image is starting to get fuzzy, and we do not want that. We want clean, crisp images all the time. So I'm going to hit cancel out of this. This is what that would look like if I made that adjustment. You can see it's not as crisp as it was before. It definitely is starting to get a little bit fuzzy. Okay, so I'm going to back out of this, and then I'm going to come back over here to my before, and I'll reset. Okay. Now, if I want to adjust the canvas size, I'm going to just basically give myself some empty space to work with. So this is good if I know that I just need more room around my image or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to come up here to image, image size, and you can change this dot. So you can move it to the right, to the left, bottom, up, down. You can put it anywhere you want. But I put it normally in the middle, and then I make my adjustments from there unless I need to do something else. But you should have the relative button checked. If it's not checked, come see me and I'll help you with that. But anyways, if I were to add 1,000 pixels on either side of this image, for instance, and I hit OK, I'll show you what that looks like. It looks like this. So it basically does not move the picture at all, and it just adds empty pixels around the picture. So now for both of these adjustments that I made, I'm going to go up here to File, Export, Export As, and then I'm going to save that image. So I'm going to export it. Show you what that looks like. I'm going to move this on this screen. Yours might look a little bit different than this, but I'm just going to hit export, and I'm going to give it a file name that I can remember. So normally I just name it whatever that picture is, and then I do an underscore or like a dash or something, and then I put canvas size. So then I know that that's the picture that I adjusted. That's really the one I want to see. I want you to play with the file size on your own so that you can see how that works for you. Okay? All right. Well, have a great day, and I will see you next time.